So here's the reality when it comes to video marketing today. 92% of home buyers start their search online, and majority of the clients for realtors, right, buyers and sellers, 73% in fact are more likely to partner with agents who use video. And listings with video get 31% fewer days on the market and 4 times more inquiries for actual showings and just inbound interest. So it's clearly a no-brainer, as we can see. And that's exactly the gap that we aim to fill. We help create real estate videos from the static listing photos that you already have. And so you can create property videos from just static photos and add music, voiceovers, templates, branding, all done for you in one platform. And so what used to take 3 to 7 days and cost you $500 to $1,000 is now done for you in 2 to 3 clicks for less than the cost of Chipotle these days. All right. So in the spirit of, marketing yourself consistently with quality and with volume, we see people essentially remixing and repurposing each listing for many use cases. So now one property can give you 5 to 10 pieces of content for your marketing channels. We're seeing people market, properties before they're live with coming soon videos, just listed, under contract, or even using this as B-roll for other content as well. And so this way you get a lot more kind of functionality, and video footage that you can apply towards your different channels. And we're seeing people basically overlay this with real video as well. So realtors will kind of walk into the property or showcase it in the beginning, and then the rest of the video is the AutoReel kind of B-roll. When it comes to the different video types that help you win with these listings, you want to have diversity in content too. So your socials and your branding can't be purely your listings. You need to market yourself as an innovative partner and thought leader. You can do so through different video types, such as obviously property walkthroughs that we help you with, but also showcasing your client testimonials, market updates, neighborhood spotlights, and behind the scenes sort of videos to showcase yourself, your process, the unique insights that you have in the local market and community, and just continue to build trust. And that helps you build that brand and acquire leads for your existing listings, but also getting that next set of customers with content that's evergreen and is generating leads for you on autopilot once you build up some momentum. So we'll leave some of these best practices here for you, but essentially you have to have a platform-specific strategy when you're creating content. So, Facebook is great for local communities, neighborhood groups, engagement that is localized to your audience and target demographics there. Instagram is very visual heavy, leans younger with demographics, may want more hashtags and emojis, while LinkedIn might be more for professional data-driven insights. And so really you want to be wise and mindful with where you're posting the content. And I think you just need to be mindful and apply that accordingly for the different channels like LandApp team is already doing today. Around the topics of SEO, I think it's important here more than ever before, and it's a continuous topic that we've been chatting about through this webinar, right? So beyond just saying you're a real estate agent, be local. Talk about which city, or even better, which neighborhood or communities that you are a real estate agent for. So that means not Austin, Texas. That means Sunset Valley or South Austin or Lakeaway, wherever that might be. And so that will help you show up in more search results, both on Google, but also on AI results such as ChatGPT. And what they've found is that search results, when you rank on ChatGPT or the other AI-powered search engines, those users are 7 times more likely to convert to being a customer because they have so much more intent than any of these other channels. So it's all about optimizing yourself and putting yourself in places where those platforms can pick up your information, what services you offer, and how you provide them, these quality services in those local neighborhoods for your customers.